You can hear something. In this video I'm gonna replace the bearing here on both sides. Start by removing this side sealant. Just put it in here and pull gently. This metal thing, can it be removed? It's outer metal here. It's a bit noisy. Yeah, doesn't sound too well. So I finally got it off by heating with a heat gun. This side is easier. It's less way to go. It's an open one on this side, and have to remember how this goes. Now I can hammer it out from the back side, the other one. I couldn't get it off the other one. So pick up that piece there and continue. This is how it goes. Remember this. There's a lot of crap there, down there. This way down. I finally got both out. You can see this one, it doesn't run well. I've tried it and I had to use this one to hammer it out from the other side. Once you get one off, then you can hammer it with this one. And that went pretty easy. I had to heat it, of course, also. Now it's empty all the way here, so I'm gonna put some new bearings in the fridge. And remember, this one goes on this side. It's a bit longer on this than the left side. What bearing am I gonna put instead? NSK, Japanese, hopefully, even though it's probably made in, it says made in Japan, but it's probably made in China, who knows. Anyway, it's NSK brand, and I hope it's really, or they weren't cheap, so not that cheap. Got two different models, ZZCM and DDUCM. So, and that's a dual gasket sort of. Yeah, I'll show you. Want it to be 150 degrees. It's about ready. I've removed the bearing from the fridge. I'm gonna see if I can put it there. It's from the fridge. See if I can do this without burning. It's not going well. It's really tight. Have to beat it out again. That was easy. Too bad. I managed to get it down. Second time I heated even more and put some oil outside, and now I got it in finally. Ooh. Now we're gonna put this one in. I'm gonna clean a little bit more. So we center this one, can't forget it, it's easy to forget it. We were about 150 degrees, something like that. And this is from the fridge. Let's give it a go. It's a stressful moment. It's oil in here. All around, and let's go. To make sure this one is aligning. It's not right now. Let's continue anyway. This is madness. Because it's not straight, it doesn't go through. We'll see when it cools off if it works. This doesn't seem to be working. It's too tight. It doesn't turn. The middle one doesn't turn. Have to redo this. This was harder than I thought. It's just cracked. Well, it didn't go smooth, but I removed it again, and now this time I didn't push it down as far down. It had damaged some of the metal pieces. There were some small metal threads. It wasn't going on straight on, you know, but now it's working and it's quiet. So this is how it should be. Something like this, it's at least much better than it was. So I'm gonna go with this for now and see how it turns out. Okay, I managed to get this down, and it's still moving down there, so it's free. The one in the middle, it's a bit free. Should be pretty tight against the, but I'm gonna keep this one. It has a metal, sort of metal rounding here. I bought some oil seals, but this is more, doesn't have a spring in the middle here, so this is not an oil seal per se, but sort of a distance. So I'm gonna keep this one. Just gonna grease this up with some molybdenum so it can move if it has to. And just put it there. Not sure if this is supposed to spin, but I'm gonna grease it anyway. It has some grease on it. this one goes in easy. Should be simple to go in, otherwise something is wrong or sort of whacked. Yeah, it's rolling really nice. The sound you hear now is something inside the tire. Some kind of scrap inside the tire. Otherwise it's real quiet and it doesn't seem to stop spinning. So seems to be this NSK bearing seems to be really good. Previous is what it wanted to sort of move. When it's got resistance, it wanted to go like this. Now it's just no resistance, no. Yeah, this is how you want it. Yeah, good you hang on. I did put this on the wrong side, of course. Should be on this side. There we go. And we have the brake disc here. The original seems to be of a brand called GMB. G or 6MB. Something like that. Yeah, 6200 RS. So they had seal on only one side, not 2 RS. So this side, this was the broken one. Sorry, this was the broken one. And you can see the other one. Somehow it comes in a lot of crap inside here when it's open on one side. So go with the 2-side seal. Compare it with the NSK. It is stamped Japan. So this was the one I broke. You see it's kind of indent there. But you can see there's mark all over the place. NSK 6200. So this is, you can tell this is much better. Bearing, just by the time they put into it. The other side, NSK. Yeah, really good marks. Still turns, but doesn't feel good. So I have to throw this one away. Unfortunately, since I already broke it, we might as well try to see how it looks inside. Could be interesting. Is it greased? Yeah, got some transparent kind of grease there. When I remove that one, it turns fine again, so this might be usable, but this side is good. Yeah, now we know how it looks. That's pretty lubed.